Hi, it's Lisa Ryan, Chief Appreciation Strategist at Grategy, coming to you live from beautiful Cleveland, Ohio. I'm so excited to be once again speaking at FABTECH this year on November 8th from 10:50 to 11:30. I'll be talking about mastering the millennial mindset, how to attract and retain your industry's emerging leaders. Now, face it, you work so hard to spend so much time, money, and effort to bring new employees into your shop. How do you keep them? Well, in this interactive, fun session, we'll be taking advantage of some of the wisdom in the room, some of the best practices, and you'll walk out of there with ideas and an action plan that you can start to use immediately. So once again, November 8th from 10:50 to 11:30 in room B312. I'm Lisa Ryan from Grategy, and I will see you at FABTECH.